Do you want to know how you can select payment methods or multiple payment methods on Amazon Prime Video? If yes, then this video is exactly for you. Hello and welcome to One Two Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can change or select the payment methods on Amazon Prime. Go ahead and open Prime Video on your phone. Now select your profile, write down your PIN, go ahead and click continue, and this is your profile. So go ahead and tap on your profile on the top right hand side, go to settings and go to my account, then click on manage account. After that, click on set payment method, which you see over here. You can see these are your payment methods. Go ahead and tap on this method and click save, and you can see that you have changed a payment method. If you scroll a bit down, you can see some options called add a payment methods as well. Go ahead and tap on it and you can add new payment methods and select it quite easily. So guys, this is how you set up payment method on Amazon Prime. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.